Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look on the gold market. So on the gold market, we have right now a really fascinating situation with the price action, the setup that we have, that we discussed in our weekly report. Is just amazing, and we're still follow it. And we suggest that market could set the new top within a few weeks. So probably will be somewhere around 1570 area, slightly high, slightly lower, because our untouched XOP stands in 5066, 5067. It means that the A point here should be taken out. In the weekly report just a few days ago, we said that be prepared on Monday that market will challenge the C point. And while people just will think in what's going on and will not understand what is really has happened, we could use the situation, take the long position, and when the real screams will appear, let me out, when the market will taken out of the stops, starts climbing to the A point, and stops will be triggered, those who are taking the position on the hand shoulders, and as we do, or better to say as we did in last week, because actually it was also the point where we try and take the short with the breakout to the OP, but current situation has changed drastically, and we're right now taking the long position with the upward continuation. So when the traders will understand what will happen, it will be too late. The stops will be triggered and the market will show the acceleration higher. That's our suggestion, and we follow this trading plan. As you can see, currently this minor spike that has been formed yesterday already is challenging the C point, and in fact, in reality, I have to move the C point right here because it stands higher than this one. So our ABCD pattern right now is to take the shape, change the shape. But this is not the final point yet, so it's just the beginning. Trend has turned bullish here with the good crossing angle of the lines, as you can see on MACD. So it means that the sentiment is changing, but not everybody understands it's clear yet, and that's our advantage. So we could use this relatively quiet behavior on the market, so in trying to take the position while the market stands calm. So when it will be too active, it will be much more difficult trying to jump in the running trade. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, the OP target that we have specified in weekly report has been hit, and right now market stands in an area of the 1528 VIP resistance, weekly pivot resistance one. So here, as we suggested, maybe market will form some minor pullback that will let us to take the position. In a wider, greater view, we could suggest here is a bit choppy but double top pattern, because double bottom. Because the market really keeps the features of the double bottom here. So that's could be first bottom, that's the second one, and the second bottom market forms the wash and rinse of these lows. It's very typical. Also, market erased this downward action on the Fed statement very fast, and it means that bulls take the control of the market, because they not just reversed price higher, but it's also erased this sell-off that has happened. In fact, that was the action that we thought maybe will lead to the breakout of the neckline, because where previously we were dealing with the hand and shoulders. But as soon as this hasn't happened, and we also get some new patterns, new information on the weekly chart, we have new fundamental background that makes us think that market will reverse the overall situation and starts rising, and this really has happened. So taking into consideration the potential double bottom, if you will measure the target of this pattern, well, you will see that it stands actually at 1562. So if you'll take this A, B, C bottom, double size to the upside. So we know that the target of the double bottom equals its depth. So if you will calculate from the bottom to the neckline, count it in the direction of the breakout from the neckline, you will see approximately 1562, 1563 area. So it will definitely be above the previous top. And that is just $3 difference from the weekly XOP. So you understand that the $3, it's just the intraday noise, and it could be hit really easily. So on the shorter term, well, next target here will be XOP with our ABCD pattern. It stands at 1536, so slightly above this area. On the hourly chart, we could consider the levels that market could hit on a retracement, if of course it will be strong enough to reach these levels. So you consider the first one is 1516 area, nearest level. Next one would be 1510 confidence support. That's two levels that we're watching for. We're not considering right now 15 even because it's too deep. It mostly works as the signal line. So we talked about it in the weekly report because this is the level where the real upward rally has started. And if market indeed bullish and keeps our scenario, it should not erase this rally. It should not drop too significant and totally erase this upward action. So that's for us also an important level. But for position taking, we should consider that these two levels, if you don't have the long position yet, of course. So let's see, for example, if indeed some kind of the ABCD pattern maybe will be formed here, you consider that market could lead price to the 1516 if it will be really the retracement. So let's keep watching. Currently we do not have any reasons to adjust or cancel our scenario that we fall into. Everything goes as it should be. So let's see what the progress we will get here.